Look at my mother. Wow, wow, wow.
Hey guys, I've been waiting a while to do this video, so I've put together a bunch of footage of how my mom lives her something from nothing lifestyle, which is almost $0, very sustainable. So throughout the video you'll see a few clips from firewood for free to making our own pillows and furniture, and then of course juicing our own fruits from our own garden. A bunch of random little things that you'll enjoy. Comment below if you're thinking you can drop everything and come join us with this lifestyle. Thanks for all the comments, and it's about time we thank you guys for all the comments, support, and feedback. Didn't realize you guys were gonna be ecstatic about seeing a different way of life from everything everyone's heard about Somalia and not even have heard of Somaliland. We're just glad to show you another side of life.
Making nothing out of something.
Something from nothing.
Something from
Actually,
nothing.
it is nothing into something. She got her own cotton farm for our pillows. Something from nothing. Got it.
Go. I made the plant holder from this plastic container. It's too expensive to buy more, so I couldn't afford putting maybe 10 of this into the garden. So I just bought one and I made it mosaic plant holder. I made it from cement. This is the first version. I mixed the cement and a sand, and I tied it closer to the wall, the container, and I leave it for one day, and then I turn it and take it out. That's how it looks like. But then this looked like unfinished, so I made it finished like this one. I made bring tiles, mosaic tile, cut it out, and stick it with the cement and fill it up the gap, and now it can last a lifetime. The sun in Africa is too hot, so this plastic one will turn. As you see, it's already been torn apart. So this one will last a lifetime. Yeah, and it's beautiful. Something to look at it. I found it from the construction site when they finish houses. The leftover from the tiles, I brought it to my car and bring it here, and I do my evening job. The sun in Hargeisa is so hot, so I tried to make a shade for the car. I bought this metal from China when I was importing the solar. So it came with the tar, so the wind was so strong, it was blowing the tar out. Tarp. Then I tried to plant the trees, passion fruit. Yeah, I tried to plant passion fruit, and it worked out good. It worked out good for me. I planted and then I watered it. A smart way to water is drip irrigation. So I don't have a drip irrigation in Hargeisa. So what I did is I made a hole and put a and it will drip slowly, and that way it's a smart way to water it, and it worked out. It's for both ways, to have a fruit and to shade for the car.
Passion fruit, shade for the car as a garage, and juice later for dinner. So, a bucket of charcoal shavings, not quite charcoal, but the leftover shit that no one wants to use. And for some reason, this burner actually works and burns with the shavings. So here she is living $0 again on charcoal. So all the crucial items pretty much are $0.
Fuel is zero.
fuel zero, water zero, electricity zero. Mind you, we paid for the electricity earlier. No rent because it's our own land. Electricity being the solar that we've budgeted for, purchased, invested in. That's what it is.
Fanning the.
I mean, we have cute fans, but she's got a cardboard fan. And if you're wondering where she now gets these little shavings, because obviously you got to get the shavings from somewhere. No, she still doesn't pay for them. Yeah, something from nothing. So people pay money for this kind of charcoal. My mom collects leftover shavings of charcoal.
$2, and this one is free, and they both do the same job. Come on.
This is one of my favorites. It's a couch made out of a tire. Mom, how'd you do this?
I cover the tire with material.
Simple as that.
Put the board in circle. Still go process. I'm still processing. I cut material. Cover it with this board.
Nice.
I'm still working on it.
You have a seed.
Symbol.
Something from nothing. Sit down. Okay. نعم نحن نلعب نعم Yep. My mother got me some jeans.
Making nothing out of something.
Something from nothing.
Something from
Actually,
nothing.
it is nothing into something.
Yeah. سرفر بفوضى دينهم سواء لين عيدا مدو كده
ما فاهمين.
لابا مرمي يروح بتاع مسحال مرة.
Got my couches. They did it in like that was 2.5 days since I bought the fabric, picked it up off the street. So now I'm gonna go to my yard and set it up. There they are. Good for this song. Perfect. Something from nothing. These are the same dirty old ones. Totally refurbished. Love it. Google what?
The benefit of the prickly pear.
Prickly pear has the most amount of vitamins, an unfathomable amount. And when they're ready, they come right off of the thing very easily. So we've got a bucket of these, and then what do?
You wash it off the thorn, and you peel it and you put it in the blender and you blend it and make it juice.
Sounds really simple, but the process of getting all the pricklies, I can do it. The process of getting all these little mini cactus thorns off of here is something my mom has perfected. How many buckets and how many times do you, because you can't touch it to get the pricks off.
Yeah, you put gloves to pick it up. You put the water. You add water to it and you use.
Yeah, I don't know the process either.
take all the water out, and all the prickly, the tongue comes out. Or you can roast it on a fire, and that thing will burn.
There you go. That's a simpler
Whichever easy for
option.
you.
What do you do?
You roast it on a fire, and all the tongue will come out.
Can we open this? Kan man voor mij?
Yeah. You want me to peel it?
Yeah.
A guy was doing this. I see it on the field. That's it. No more turn, so you have to open it. There you go. Look at all the juice coming out. You just peel it, and I'm gonna eat it. I'll show you how to eat it. Wow! This piece coming out. You wanna touch it with your hand and cut it?
Oh, I swallowed the seeds.
That's okay.
Okay. That's so nice.
It's like pear.
Prickly pear.
Yeah.
Shag vitamins?
It has a lot of vitamins. You have to look up.
I have to Google it, but it's got the most, like, researchers have said the amount of vitamins in this prickly pear is unfathomable. By swirling it with the water, you get the leftover thorns out of the fruit before you start peeling it and then getting it ready for the blender.
It tastes good.
And last but not least, Mom made these grocery baskets for her veggie shop for customers to take home since plastic is banned in Somaliland, and these are made from recycled bits of plastic.